Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now in the last video I did promise something a little bit different, and I thought I'd be completely original and copy a load of other YouTubers and stick my camera on the dash of my car. But in fact we're on our way to a trade show. And we thought, why not take the camera and actually show you some of the highlights that we thought were really quite cool. I'm just about to pull up, so welcome to EI Live. Now unfortunately I can't take any of the audio that was at the show and play it back here because one, people were doing business, and two, there was lots of music playing in the background, so we'd probably get a copyright strike. Now this is a bit of personal preference, but if you want to do home cinema properly, you've got to use horn tweeters. They're just incredible. I haven't quite yet finished fangirling. This is Klipsch's cinema wall, which consists of an LCR, and then in between of those there's a massive sub to the left and to the right. And yes, you wouldn't actually have this sort of system on show. It's designed to go behind a perforated screen which locks picture to sound. Now at the other end of the spectrum we've got some very discreet, low profile, and I must say incredibly good sounding soundbars and speakers that go on the wall. Oh yeah, and a couple that go in the wall as well. Now for me, I thought this was the best in show. Now it's not the most expensive thing there, nor is it the highest pixel count or the highest contrast ratio, but it's the whole concept of using an ultra short throw projector with a nice size cinema screen that's all neatly packed away inside a sideboard / cabinet, whatever you want to call it. And I was really impressed with the performance of the screen. Now my video light is on at 100%, and the rejection of the screen is fantastic. And when it's not in use, it all folds away neatly into the cabinet / sideboard. And I just thought it was really cool to show something that could be nice and neat and tidy, and the significant other that doesn't want all the equipment all over the place and a projector bolted on the ceiling, but you want the screen and the big picture, well, there it is, you can have both. Then at the other end of the venue, we actually saw Hisense showing their ultra short throw projector with this particular high ambient light rejection screen. So there's more offerings all the time to get that big picture with high ambient light. And there was so much transmitting video over Cat 6, Cat 5 and Cat 7. Now this was the first time I'd actually got to see Emotiva in the flesh, and I must say I am really impressed with the build quality. I mean really impressed. But the Primair does get the win for build and sound, and that's not just me talking, that's ESA as well. And I thought I'd add in a tower of SVS subwoofers, just because one sub just isn't enough sometimes. Now I couldn't get around the front to show you what that looks like because there were some people doing some serious business. But this is the JBL synthesis system, and yes, it's a reference system, which means it's mega money. Is it worth that mega money? Now if I had to make a choice between a JBL system, the whole system, and a Lamborghini, I'd have the JBL every time. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little vid around the trade show, and if it's the sort of thing you'd like to see more of, please let us know in the comments. I actually really enjoyed doing this, and maybe next time I can even talk some of the manufacturers into doing a little mini interview for us. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, it really helps the channel numbers. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments box, and most importantly, stay well, stay safe and stay good. Cheers, take care, bye bye.